if you support me, so he will help German people. So he began to strengthen the military to expand the German Empire. The rising military might of Germany alarmed the other European powers. So they were the military power of German. They were very energetic. They were working hard to fight with the other European powers. Britain and France decided to take a combined stand against Hitler. Now, to fight with Hitler and his people, Britain and France they combined together and they stood together against Hitler. When Hitler attacked Poland with a desire to annex it, Britain and France declared war on Germany. So Hitler he has planned to attack which land? Poland. Then Britain and France they declare a war on only on Germany. Soon other countries in Europe joined either of the two warning parties. After when the Britain and France when they declared war on Germany, very soon other countries in Europe they joined, some group joined with the German people, some group joined with the Britain and France parties. Thus began the Second World War. That was the beginning of the Second World War. From then Second World War started. Now let's see how was the war fought. How was the fight took place? The war was fought on land. This fight was on the land, air and water. The first World War fight was on the ground only. They used to dig the ground and they hide inside and they will fight, right? In the Second World War, people fought on land, air and water. Poison gas was used on soldiers and civilians alike. There were air raids and bombs were dropped on cities. See, when the have you seen on the TV also? They will fly in the flight or helicopter or rocket, and they'll drop down the bombs or they'll release poison gases on the cities. Many cities were razed to the ground. Warships and submarines were used by both sides to gain advantage at sea. Okay. Hitler held the Jews responsible for Germany's misfortunes. Hitler held the Jews responsible for the Germans' misfortunes. He had them sent to labor or concentration camps. He has sent these people to the concentration camps. The conditions in these camps were inhuman. Inhuman means human means what's the meaning? Having sense, having pity on the people. Inhuman means opposite. No mercy, no caring for people. Okay, the condition was the camp were inhuman. And why? They were troubled. The Jews were tortured. It is estimated that more than 6 million Jews died in this camp. This Jewish people they sent to the camp, right? And during that camp, they troubled them, they tortured them. The trouble was estimated more than 6 million Jews died in this camp. How many million? 6 million. This event is known as the Holocaust. The war also spread to the Pacific region. Japan won major victories here. In this Pacific region, Japan won major victories here. See the picture. The atomic bomb, mushroom cloud over Nagasaki after it was bombed on 9th August 1945. How it looking? Like a mushroom. They call it mushroom cloud atomic bomb. This same like this only it would have happened in those days during the Second World War. Now, on 7th December in 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. Have you heard about Pearl Harbor? Who was attacked? Japan. On which date? On 7th December 1941. America's naval base in Hawaii. This led USA to join the war on the side of the Allied powers. So after this only USA joined the war on the side of the Allied power, and the Allied power countries USA joined. Now, what did the war? When did the war end? Now, this how the fight took place. Now, we'll concentrate and learn how did the war end, or when did the war end. Germany had the upper hand in the war till mid 1942. Mid 1942 means in 1942 half of the year, 1942 till the half, Germany had the upper hand. Upper hand means all the authority were under German, and their army power, their people, Hitler army, they were high during this time. After this, the Allied powers recovered and dealt a crashing defeat to Germany and Japan. So the Allied power joined together and they defeat Germany and Japan. By the beginning of 1945, Hitler knew that could not win. Then Hitler came to know that he will not win. He committed suicide. After that, he could not win, right? 1945. After that, Allied power people have overcome. They fought. They won the victory. Then Hitler gave up. Then because Hitler did not win, what happened? He committed suicide on April on 7th May 1945. Germany surrendered on this day. On 7th May 1945, Germany surrendered means they gave up. We cannot fight because their leader Hitler itself has ended his life. Japan, however, continued to fight in the Pacific region. But without Germany, Japan started fighting alone. In the which region? Pacific region. In August, the USA dropped atom bombs on two Japanese cities. Who dropped? USA. Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These two cities. This forced Japan to surrender, bringing the war to an end. So when the USA fought with Japan, dropped bomb on the two cities, after that only Japan they gave up themselves and the war has come to an end. Efforts to set up a peace organization had begun during the war itself. On 24th October 1945, the United Nations was formed. After that only United Nations was formed. You will read about it in lesson 19. About United Nations, what are the nations united together? We will learn more deeply in lesson 19. This is how Second World War ended. We only read, but what really happened, how the world fought in the two world wars, it was really hard time for the people, those who have led. Let us revise the lesson. When did the war end? We have learned when it end. Then what was the camp, concentration camp many Jews were killed, 6 million Jews. And then we went through about how was the war fought, who all participated, and then what caused the war. What are the countries' allied powers and Axis powers? This is the Second World War, started from 1st September 1939 and lasted 6 years till 1945, right? Now students, in the next class we will finish our one word answers for the lessons which we have completed. Thank you students for listening very carefully, and do your assignments and go through the lessons, learn the question answer, carefully write your classwork, and be a good students. Thank you.